Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and try on of my June BOXYCHARM box. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I got this month as well as seeing me try it on, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get into it. I've been getting BOXYCHARM for quite a while now. I will link it down below. It is a $21 a month subscription box and you get 5 full-size normally products that you can test out. A lot of it is beauty, makeup, all of that. So I will link my last month's video up here, but I do it every single month just to kind of try everything out and show you guys in case you're interested in getting it. You can sign up for it, and if you're just curious about what I got, then you can watch that too. So let's hop into everything that I got this month, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it for you guys. Also, everything that I got will be linked down below in the bottom bar in case you are looking for it. So let's do my makeup. All right, this is what the box looks like this month. It says BOXYCHARM Getaway, and I love the little pink and white stripes and the palm print. I think that's so cute. The first product is from Touch in Soul. This is the No Poreblem Prime Essence. So I actually have the No Poreblem Primer, which I also got in a BOXYCHARM a few months ago. But in the little pamphlet, it says, let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. It retails for $23. And this says to use as your last step of your skincare. So the packaging is really cute. So I guess we just untwist this. Yeah, and it's just like a little... Okay, so it's like a very liquidy formula. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Hopefully. It says on here, at the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it's fully absorbed. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a minute and then I'm going to apply my foundation and my other makeup until the next product. Okay, so I just finished my face makeup. I did just want to show you guys kind of a closer up of this primer essence. So as you can see, it's really, really liquidy. And then it almost just feels like a serum on your skin. So once you massage it in, it just kind of leaves this like glowy look. So I do like it. I think that everything sat on top of it beautifully, which sometimes with products like this, I feel like it kind of like breaks up the makeup that sits on top of it, but I think it looks good. So that is that. Moving on, I have this palette from Tarte. This is the BU Naturally eyeshadow palette, and this is what it looks like. Again, it has this like really pretty palm print, and then it has a nice sized mirror, and these are the colors. So they're very neutral, which I personally love neutral eyeshadow palettes. So I am going to just speed this up. First of all, let me read what it says on here. It says, packed with 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte, your new Tarte BU Naturally palette is everything you need to create endless natural looks. From the frosty cool pinks to the rich bronze and brown tones, this palette will flatter all skin tones while blending smoothly thanks to its Amazonian clay formula. It retails for $36. So I will speed this up and just point to the shade that I'm going to use. Okay, so I just did super, super simple. Basically, all I did was go in with this shade, which is earthy, and just set down the creases and stuff. And then I went into this, which is Explorer, and I put this all over my crease and everything. And then I went in with this deeper shade, which is called Daybreak, and I hope I'm getting these right. And just put this in my outer V and then blended these two on my lower lash line. So I am going to swatch all of them when I'm done with the rest of my makeup, but for now we're going to move on into the next product. Okay, I'm still going to do one more coat of mascara, but I'm letting my first coat dry, so we're going to move on to the next product, and that is this. It is from Dirty Little Secret, and it is the lip liner in the shade Rosy Posy. It says, smooth and creamy, this Dirty Little Secret lip liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. Retails for $15. And of course it has that annoying drugstore packaging that is so hard to get off. And I somehow just did it in like one swipe. Wow. Okay. So, okay, it's pretty pink. That's what the color looks like. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. I'm actually just going to fill my lips all the way in with this. It would help if I would actually show you guys. Okay, that was not as creamy and just easy. Like if you're very light with it, you barely get any payoff. You really have to kind of like push into it, which is fine because I don't want it to go anywhere, but then it has these little like crumbs that come off of it when you push down. So I just don't want those to end up on my face either. Next up is from Dominique Cosmetics. I have never tried anything from this brand. It is from Kristen Dominique here on YouTube, and this is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lipstick. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layered over your favorite lipstick. This retails for $17, and it is in the shade Peach Tea. This is what it looks like. I think the packaging is so pretty. You guys obviously already know this is totally up my alley. And can we also just commend BOXYCHARM for sending a normal colored lip product for once? Like, that was actually this one and this one. Wow. Okay. This smells like sugar, and it has a flat doe foot applicator. This is what it looks like. Let me just swatch it for you so you have kind of a better idea of what it looks like alone. So this is it. It's really high shine, but it doesn't have any glitter or anything gritty in it. It feels really smooth. It's not sticky at all. It feels really nice on my lips, actually. I'm excited about this lip combo. I feel like it's really, really pretty. Okay, the last item in the box is a two-part. This is from Tropez. This is their Tan Applicator Mitt, and then this is their Self Tan Classic Bronzing Mousse. I don't know if this is in a shade. I don't see a shade. So, this says, for our most iconic, natural, and healthy looking tan, the lightweight classic mousse tailors to your individual skin tone for our longest lasting tan in one application. This retails for $24.50. You guys, I am so excited to try this out. I've heard a ton of things about Tropez and I have not tried it myself. I really love Tan Luxe and Loving Tan. I have Loving Tan on right now, but I've heard endless things about this, so I will definitely give this a try and update you guys. This obviously is not a full-size bottle, but I think this will probably last you like maybe 2 applications, and then they do give you the mitt, which you can use over and over and over again. So I will definitely keep you updated on this. I added everything up, and this entire box retails for $115.50, and you can get it for $21 a month, which as usual, I will link it down below in the bottom bar in case you guys are interested in it. But I do just want to run through the products really quickly and just talk about kind of my final first impressions. So first up is the primer essence. I really enjoyed this. I think my makeup looks beautiful on top of it. I'm for sure going to continue using this. I think that if I wanted something specific, like something to fill my pores or something like hydrating or whatever, maybe I would use this in conjunction with that. And like it said, use it as the last step of my skincare routine. But really, really like this. The eyeshadow palette, I'm really impressed with this. The colors are really gorgeous. I like that there's a mix of matte and shimmer. I love how neutral it is. You can do so many different looks with this, and I do like that they do have the deeper shade, which is Daybreak, in it. If I was going to go out and buy this, I think I would want one more deeper shade, just because the majority of them are light, and I think having one more deeper shade would be nice, just, or even like a middle toned brown or like a really, really deep chocolatey brown, just because it would give you a little bit more versatility as far as creating different looks with it. But love the packaging, love the mirror. The formula was really good. I think that they blended beautifully. The lip liner was a little bit rough, I think, to put on. It wasn't as creamy as I was expecting, or as creamy as I like in a lip liner, but I will say the color is really pretty, and I feel like I say this in every video that I get a lip product from BOXYCHARM. I hate the colors of them, so the fact that I have 2 lip products in this and I like both of them, the colors at least, is amazing. This formula, I don't think I would go out and buy it, but I did like it and I will continue to use it. And then the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lipstick, I really like this. Smells very, very sugary, so if you're not into that, maybe I wouldn't get it, but I can't smell it on my lips right now, so there's that. The packaging is really pretty. I'm excited to have something from this collection in my collection, from this brand in my collection. I think the color is really pretty, especially for summer, and you can still see that lip liner shade, so it is more of a sheer gloss. It's not super opaque, which I personally really like. And then lastly is this Tropez Duo, which I am super, super excited to test out. So I am just gonna go ahead and say this is the best BOXYCHARM box I have ever gotten so far. So I think that I'm going to use every single product in here and continue to use it. I'm excited to have all of them in my collection. So this month for me is a total win. Definitely worth the money, worth more than the money. I'm very excited about it. So that is everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what your favorite product that you got in your BOXYCHARM is. Do you get BOXYCHARM? Do you not? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.